you guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy February, and today we are bringing in the month of love with these Valentine's Day nails. Yes, so today's featured products are these V-Day Gel Polish colors by Jewhitney. I have these super pretty shades of pink just in time for V-Day. So I'm going to swatch these really quick to show you all these colors and how they come out. All these shades are they're pretty sheer. So I swatched 2 coats and they came out nice. I would recommend 3 if you really want like a bold finish. But besides that, the gel polish is really nice. The consistency is very smooth. It's not sticky at all. And they cure with a perfect shine, so you really don't need a top coat. They shine great just without a top coat. So yeah, these polishes, they can be purchased on Amazon. They are very affordable. First and foremost, they are very affordable and they work just great. So to me, there's just no need to be spending $10+ per bottle of gel polish anymore. So I'll have these linked in my Amazon storefront in my description box, so y'all can go get y'all some affordable gel polishes. These come out to be less than $2 per bottle, and as you can see, they come out great with just 2 coats. So go get y'all some. And yeah, so let's get into these nails, y'all. I'm so excited to be back. It's been so long. It's like I put out my first video, I made those nails, and then I stopped. Completely honest, y'all, I stopped. I ghosted my business, and I told y'all I was going to bring y'all a part of my journey. And so that's still what I'm doing, and that's a part of my journey. I ghosted my business. And, that might be a part of other people's journeys. I pray it's not a part of your journey, but that's something that I had to go through, and for good reason. Because for me, before I do anything, I have to have myself together. I have to be alive and well and taken care of and in good condition to be able to do anything. Because for me, how can I do anything if my body is just not well or whatever it is? So that's what I did. I know I want to be a business owner, and before I could take care of the business, I have to take care of me. Because how you gonna run a business and you can't even run yourself? So that's what, I was working on, getting my routines together, making sure that I'm in order, because if my space, my place, myself, my mind is not together, then I can't do anything. My mind is literally going to be foggy, and so will the rest of my life. So I had to prioritize myself and get myself together, and now I'm back. I done ran myself. I got myself together. I'm together. Got my habits, routines, and discipline in check. And now I'm about to run the business. So, I hope that maybe that was just a little word for somebody out there that might be feeling ashamed because they're trying to run the business, or they're trying to put the business above themselves, or you're trying to put your job above yourself. Don't put anything above you, because without you, you can't do anything. How are you going to do anything if you're not even here to do anything? Yeah. Okay. So, yes, take care of you, love on you, and then get the business, and it will flow. So, that's my little message for today, y'all. I'm going to let y'all watch this video to see exactly how I made these nails. And if you guys have any questions, or, I don't know, want to talk about something, talk to me. Let's be friends. Make a comment. Put a comment down below. I'll respond. Let's get a conversation going or something. Let's talk about something. Do y'all want me to talk about something? because I'm gonna talk about something regardless. So, you know, just let me know how y'all feel about something. And yeah, like I said, let's be friends. So yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. And I'm gonna be talking to y'all again next week for sure, because like I said, I'm here. So yeah, I hope y'all have a great day, have a blessed day, and be well.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, had a faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't call up by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my mind. Long say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, do all what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. You on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't call up by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my mind. Long say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, do all what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. You on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't call up by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my mind. Long say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, do all what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Break you off, they don't give a shit when you go. Speak on me when I don't go. it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. Sweet on me when I don't go. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. Sweet for me when I don't go. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. Sweet for me when I don't go. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. Sweet for me when I don't go. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. Sweet for me when I don't go. I can break you off.